If you have tax problems, we have some solutions.
My name is Jim Demetrio from Demetrio, Montano & Associates. We're tax specialists, but we're very specialized. We represent people and businesses who are in trouble with the IRS. Every one of our clients owes the IRS from $10,000 up to $2 or $3 million. Why do we specialize in this? Because my partner and I have over 30 years of experience working in the IRS collection division. We both left there in the 80s and started this firm in 1989. Over the past 21 years, we've represented over 9,000 individuals and businesses before the IRS. But why should you hire us? Why? First of all, we know what rules the IRS must play by. We know what they can do, what they cannot do. We know the regulations, we know the procedures. We know what to say to the IRS, or more importantly, what not to say to the IRS. We will then analyze your ability to pay. We'll sit down with you, a free consultation, and find out what you think you can do to resolve your taxes. The financial analysis will include your assets, your liabilities, your equity. And then we'll fashion a plan that you can live with. You might be able to make payments to the IRS, or you may not. You may be in a hardship situation where we can get the IRS to not collect against you for a year, maybe longer. That's right, not bother you at all for a year or more, until you improve your own financial condition. We might be able to negotiate a settlement for less than you owe. It's called the pennies on the dollar, but it's really the offer in compromise. There aren't too many of them, although the TV says everybody gets them, they don't. In 2010, the IRS only accepted 14,000 offers in compromise. That's only 300 per state, so they're few and far between. Or we might use bankruptcy to wipe out your taxes altogether. Yes, bankruptcy can be used to eliminate your tax debt. But the most important thing we will do is protect your family and your financial security and negotiate a plan with the IRS that you can live with and that you can afford. Many clients tell us the hardest part is to call us. They try to avoid the problem, but it's easy. Just pick up the phone, call us. You'll talk to me or you'll talk to my partner, Mike Montano. We'll spend some time with you on the phone. We'll ask you if you want to come in for a consultation, and we provide a free consultation in one of our offices. If you don't want to come in, we'll do the consultation by phone. We'll go over how much you owe and where the IRS is in trying to collect from you, what the problem is it unpaid taxes, is it unfiled tax returns. We'll ask you financial questions about your job and your income and your expenses and your equity and your assets, those types of things. If you choose to hire us, we'll prepare a fee agreement. We'll do a power of attorney. Once you hire us, you won't have to talk with the IRS. We'll do all the talking for you. You'll just talk to us, my staff, me, and my partner, Mike. We'll make it as easy as possible and as painless as possible so you can get the proper representation. We promise to protect your financial security. We will protect your family. You will have enough money to pay your rent and your utilities and feed the kids. The worst thing that you can do is ignore the problem. If you ignore those letters from the IRS or those phone calls from the IRS will find out where you bank, where you work, and they will levy your wages. They will levy your bank account. If you owe enough money and they are bound and determined to fine you, they will assign it to a local tax collector called a revenue officer who will come to your home or to your office to talk with you. So the worst thing to do is procrastinate. Pick up the phone today, call us today so we can help you today.